What if I told you I have the most powerful 100% working Hostinger coupon code that gives you the biggest discount, plus a special link that always takes you to Hostinger's highest sale? No matter when you click it, you'll get a free domain, 3 extra months of hosting, and the highest available discount at that moment. But that's not all. I'll also reveal some secret tricks that will help you save even more money, secrets no one else is telling you. I'm Mr. Coupon, and today I'm giving you everything you need to get the best deal on Hostinger. First, check the description for my special sale link or scan the QR code on your screen. This link will always take you to Hostinger's biggest discount sale, whether it's Black Friday, New Year, or any other mega sale event. Right now, the highest discount is 75% off, but if a bigger sale happens later, my link will automatically take you to that one instead. Now let's go ahead and select a hosting plan that fits your needs. After choosing your plan, you'll be redirected to the cart page. This is where you can apply my special coupon code to get an extra discount. Simply enter hosting promo in the coupon code section, and you'll see your price drop even further. And don't forget, the special sale link is already in the description, so use it to access the best deal. Now, here's the ultimate secret to saving even more money. Most people make the mistake of choosing a one-year plan just because it looks cheaper up front. But here's the truth. While the discount applies to your first year, after that, you'll be paying full price for renewal. Just think, if you choose the one-year plan, you'll pay only $35 right now instead of $143 because of the discount. But next year, your renewal price jumps to $143 per year, and over 4 years, that adds up to $464. On the other hand, if you choose the 4-year plan today, you only pay $143 for the entire 4 years. That's the same price you'd pay for just 1 year on renewal. This means you save over $300 just by choosing the longest plan up front. But that's not all. By purchasing a 4-year plan through my special sale link, you also get a free domain name, so you don't have to buy it separately. 3 extra months of hosting, absolutely free. That's why I highly recommend selecting the 48-month plan or at least 24-month plan, so you lock in the lowest price for the longest time and enjoy these amazing bonuses. This way, you won't have to worry about high renewal rates later. So before you complete your purchase, make sure you're using my special sale link in the description to access the highest discount. And don't forget to apply the hosting promo coupon code at checkout for even more savings. That's it. Now grab this deal before the prices go up. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Happy savings.